We've seen this before. We're going round in circles. But no. This time it's different. This time, I've been in. I've seen it with my own eyes, and this time you get to see it with your own eyes.
Are you sure?
But there's one thing that I forgot to tell you. See, the monsters, they don't take too kindly to us humans. So when we enter, you need to be the biggest, scariest, most ferocious monsters that you could possibly be. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Then you will be just fine. But there's this one more gift. It's to you. And these are your trick or treat bags. Once you get a trick or treat bag, and you open it.
Brilliant. Huh? Are you going to get a bag out of it? Yeah. I think even I'm going to get one, yeah? Ah.
Good luck, my friend. You're going to need it.
Thank you, sir. You need some fruit as well.
Need some what?
Fruit.
Fruit.
For your skin.
Why?
Have you not seen your skin?
No.
Oh, have a look in the mirror later.
I haven't got one.
Ah. Live long.
Let's try and see what's happening.
Wow. Oh.
Well, little mouse, come get the cheese. Get the cheese, little mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Get the cheese. Go fetch, little bro.
Hey, there's a spider, yeah? Oh, look at these bubbles. Oh, what do you think of it so far? Oh. Make sure you get your bag open. Oh, this is spooky, isn't it? That's bad as well, spooky. Look at this.
Oh dear, who's dressed you this morning?
It was me.
It was you?
Yes.
Look at what's in your head. How dare you? That's an imposter, isn't it?
It definitely is. And what about me?
I don't know what that is.
Well, it's even worse, isn't it? It's Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Even.
Oh, yes, that is like this.
That's really imposter-ish, yes.
That is, that's imposter.
Yeah.
Right, you can take that. There you go.
Oh,
You
thank
take
you
that.
very much.
Have a horrible day.
Oh, thank you very much. You enjoy Halloween as well.
I will.
Yes. You look like you really enjoy it. I love your spider as well.
Thank you so much.
What's his name?
He's called Sid.
Sid the Spider. We like
Would you
him.
like to stroke him?
Wow. Brilliant.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, he does that sometimes.
That's okay. That's okay.
Have a horrible loved it.
Yeah, I love your black rose as well.
Oh, thank you.
It suits you perfectly.
Yes, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's that dark feeling. Yes, thank you.
Hello.
Hello, parrot.
Welcome.
Hello.
The street is so lovely to see you now.
Yeah.
I have got some very cool pieces of 8 for you, but before I give it to you, I need to hear your best pirate.
Go on. Ah!
Well, there you go. There's yours.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you. A new pop badge.
You're so welcome.
Thank you very much.
Now get out of it.
I was doing pirate jokes yesterday at work.
Come on, give me your best pirate.
Well, it was one of the students which I teach was being a parrot, repeating after me. So I said, "Do you think I'm a parrot?" He loved it. He loved it. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Parrot. Have a good day. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a nutty professor. Oh, professor?
Yes.
Are you a professor?
Yeah, I am. I mean, to be fair, the way I got my degree was a bit questionable, actually. They kicked me out of all the doctors and all that stuff. But I've got an experiment for you.
Wow.
First, you must participate in my experiment, okay?
That sounds very fair.
Okay. So, first, what we're going to do is we're going to turn around once, okay? This one.
Oi.
We're going to turn around the other way.
Oi.
Then we're going to turn around the other way.
Oi.
And then we're going to jump 3 times, okay? 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to say, roar!
Yeah. Yeah.
You are now a monster. High 5.
Brilliant.
Yeah, awesome.
Brilliant.
I want you as
Okay, thank you.
well.
So which university did you get your PhD in?
I didn't really finish that.
Oh, you didn't finish it?
You know,
You'll have to carry on your study.
Yeah, I'm going to have to go back. But you know what?
You do know we could do brain transplants now. It might help you.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem, pal.
I'll get
Take care. Have a
Take
good.
care. Have a good one.
Enjoy your experiments.
I will.
Brilliant. Ah. Look at all these. Oh, Witch's Cauldron. Wow. Ah. And all the pumpkins. Wow.
I wonder what's in there.
We'll find out in a minute, won't you? Ah, did you enjoy it?
Lego.
I think it's. Yeah? Hey. You got